Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious nut-free nougat. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 large egg whites. Having your equipment ready, like a stand mixer with a whisk attachment and a reliable candy thermometer, is crucial for success. Now, let's create the essential sugar syrup. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it cook until your candy thermometer reads precisely 285 degrees Fahrenheit. While your syrup is cooking, prepare your egg whites. In the clean bowl of your stand mixer, whip the 2 large egg whites on high speed until they become stiff and glossy, forming firm peaks. This step is vital for the nougat's texture. Once your syrup reaches temperature, slowly and carefully drizzle the hot, 285 degree Fahrenheit syrup into the whipped egg whites while the mixer is still running. Keep beating the nougat mixture on high speed for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice it transforming, becoming incredibly thick, wonderfully glossy, and significantly cooler to the touch. This extended beating incorporates air and develops that classic nougat chewiness. Once ready, quickly press the mixture into your parchment-lined 8x8-inch pan. Let it set completely for several hours, or ideally overnight, before cutting and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.